Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off sync in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're looking to protect your privacy or just improve browser performance, this guide will make it super easy to manage your sync settings. Stick around because I'll show both selective and complete ways to turn off sync so you can choose what works best for you. Open Edge Settings. First, launch Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three dots. This is the More Actions menu. From the drop-down, select Settings, Access Profiles, and Sync. Once in Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Profiles. Under your current profile, you'll see the Sync option. Click that. Selective Sync Disabling. Here, you can control exactly what you want to sync. You'll see options like favorites, passwords, history, and more. Simply click the toggle next to any item you want to stop syncing. When the toggle turns off, that feature will no longer sync across your devices. Complete Sync Disablement. If you want to turn off all sync entirely, go back to Settings greater than Profiles. Look for your profile image and click Sign Out. This removes your Microsoft account from Edge, stopping all background sync operations completely. After signing out or toggling off specific sync features, it's a good idea to restart Edge. This ensures your new settings are fully applied. And that's it. Turning off sync in Microsoft Edge is that simple. Now you have full control over your data and browser performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.